Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to change the resolution on your iPhone. Now this is good for taking pictures, video recording, and all that stuff, so be sure to follow these quick instructions as well as these simple shoutouts. Now let's get on with these simple announcements I do have. So step number one, check out my social medias. Those are in the link in the description, or you can just look it up. My Twitter is at TechnoTrend0. Go check that out. Follow me for some new updates, news, giveaways, and cool stuff like that, as well as go follow my other channel, which is called Brand. I do tons of skits, funny stuff, and vlogs on there if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Also, I have a personal Discord, which is our own. Me, Apple Tech Video, Glock Montana, and a bunch of other people do own this server. So we are bigger YouTubers trying to help out small YouTubers that are affected by demonetization and the new rules applied by YouTube. So if you guys want to be a part of that chat, or if you guys want to talk to us, ask questions, or just chill with us on Fortnite or some games, be sure to click the join button and join general. We are on every day from Pacific Standard Time, usually around 5 to 9, around that time. So if you guys are able to get on, be sure to get on. Also, be sure to bring your friends along as well. We'd like as many people as possible. We're trying to get this Discord even bigger than it is now. So if you guys want to be part of the TechnoTrend effort, then be sure to stay tuned, stay subscribed, and join the Discord. Alright guys, thank you guys for listening to these announcements. Let's get on with today's video. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam. So as you guys can see here, I do have my iPhone 6s Plus. This is running iOS 10, so this should work with any recent iOSs. Mainly the newer phones, not necessarily newer, but I'd say around the 5s and above, around those types, can change the quality on your device. So if you do have like an iPhone 4, sadly you cannot change it to like a nice resolution. So basically, let's get started with this video. Unless you guys do want to install this wallpaper, it's super free. All you have to do is click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the Google image and you're allowed to download it. Alright guys, also be sure to check out my social medias. You already know, click them, add me through everything. You guys can talk to me. I am a free person. I'm always free to talk to any fans or any people who want to just collaborate or any of that stuff. So if you guys want to hit me up with those. Alright, and let's get started with today's video. Step number one, head into your settings bar. Scroll all the way down to see photos and camera. Once you're here, you're going to tap it. Then you scroll all the way down, it says record video and slow-mo. So here it is, they have your slow motion options as well as your recording video options. So I did change this to a 4K at 30 frames. Yours should be here, usually it's there. But if you guys want, it does tell you it will take a lot of resolution or a lot of space to take because it's a high resolution. So if you guys want, if you have low space, choose that. If you guys want the premium video quality, click 4K at 30 frames. Now this camera itself is really good, really crispy, and really clear. So if you guys want that, be sure to click it. So switch to video mode. You guys can see it's very smooth and very nice. With this camera, you guys, the camera I'm using right now is the iPhone 6, which is perfectly good, and it's also recording at 1080 60 frames per second. Now only the 6s and above can hit 4K, but that's only depending on which device you have. I have the newer device you guys can see here, 6s Plus, which does mean I do have this model. That's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to put that setting up if you guys want some nice clear resolution. Other than that, guys, see you guys in the next video. Be sure to be ready for tomorrow's video, which will be on movies. So one of my friends did find a movie app, but that will be announced tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's updates and also my Twitter. Alright guys, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.